Welcome to another PlanUp training video. This is a short and sharp video to show you about our descriptions. Many people don't know that we offer a descriptions option. They are a great way for you to add notes whilst you're at the property, but then also to save you time having to dictate notes and type them out once you get back to the office. Now these can be done very simply. If you look in the kitchen, we can see that we've added lots of descriptions. We'll just go through some of those options to show you how they're done here. Fitted with a range of base and eye level units, acrylic round edge worktops, a stainless steel sink and mixer tap. Also, you can select edit and you can see how the sentence is shaping up. You can also manually edit this if you so want to. Each room has its own particular set of unique skills, i.e. the bathroom, you will have options for the suite, whereas in the kitchen, it will also say whether you have different units or appliances. Using the descriptions option means you've got one less thing to worry about, meaning that when you get back to the office, you can simply save out the file and then you can embellish there afterwards. If we select finish, we can then go to get images, select 2D and direct save. Here you will have the various different file types that you can save out for your description. I've previously saved out a description in Word. It starts with a generic overview of the plan, i.e. 3 bedrooms, 2 receptions and a fitted kitchen. And then it starts with the ground floor, the lounge, the dining room, the kitchen, the bathroom and the hall. And then you can see our descriptions on the first floor. The great thing with this is that even if it's not set out the way that you prefer, it's a great starting point and has all of the data in that you can embellish and add your own twist to for your property listings.